Shumang Leela asi yamna powerful oiba medium ama oibada natana mass education pibada natana harau tayangba pokhanbada natana wakal pukning su pothahanba ngamba medium ni haina Manipur gi governor Ganesan na houdokhre. Wafam asi ngasi gi haukiba yangkai suba All Manipur Shumang Leela Festival English ngani kunmathoi kunithoi haudokpagi thoramda houdokhibane. Ibu yaima Shumang Leela sangle na pangtokpa haudokpagi thoram aduda Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren amati atay masak naiba miyoy kaya su saruk yaki thoram gi sarukam oina nifu suba Shumang Leela Festival da makok mathang takrabasingda mana mathumsu yenthokhe yangkai suba Golden Jubilee Celebration asida punna Shumang Leela Group kunmanga na saruk yari Governor na makata na houdokhibada medium asna tongan-tonganba furupsinggi marakta nungsi chanaba purakpa ngamgani haiki loinana Manipur State Kala Academic na lawriba thaudangbu thagatpa houdokhre.
Historical events related to Moirang were also conveniently used by Shumang Leelas in the style called Moirang Parva. Here you would find that Shumang Leela groups of those days attempted to preserve and promote the humanism, tolerance, confidence, devotion, truth and justice through their performances. They had not only adopted Shumang Leela as their livelihood but also contributed their best for the betterment of society. This needs to be remembered by the present Shumang Leela activities with gratitude. It is unique feature that the Shumang Leela groups are composed of exclusively male artists where even female roles are played by male artists. I remember last time when I came here, I attended Shumang Leela where all the artists were male, but of course there was some female character also. In the meantime, the groups comprising entirely female artists have also come up and they have become prominent in many festivals. I am informed that altogether 25 Shumang Leela groups, 11 male group and 14 male groups are participating in the present festival. I hope that the present Shumang Leela festival will provide a good opportunity for the performers to show their artistic talent to the audience and also to standardize the present Manipur Shumang Leela.
Amaromda Chief Minister N Biren na houdokhibada artist singgidamakta lokhatpa yaba yaifa thaurang paikhatle lenthoi chanambam na World Judo Championship da gold medal lawrakpada thagatpa houdokhre.
Pencil scheme da ngasi side the field thoga stage thoga lila sanarambi drama yoramba isai sakpi hayeng kariguma ma ana ba ai ko yaw ko kanda hanna yengbina ba leite bising madu masing do koi artist punama honorable prime minister gi Ayushman Bharat card ke koi yawhan ba yana na bagi aduga Ayushman Bharat ki lang manga ki card ru yaw ba phangda ba sek to yaw ba kang buduna chief minister gi haksel gi tengbang gi 5 lakhs free treatment yana na ba koi artist sing da koi madu gi provide to provision ekhoida pikrabani hana pencil scheme khoisana ba houkhre aduga loinana Shumang Leela gi yama thawai yaw bi ri ba inau tolhal hoi moi mayam na kanna haibadagi handaki sahi dei gi de khoi Shumang Leela gi khoi gi state budget ta Shumang Leela si gi khar do mating pangna ba haidina khoi lakh kun gi budget ta khoi hapa haujarabani haibasi ma gai mayam thamjage Shumang Leela gi importance aduga Shumang Leela gi artist sing thengnari ba awaba madu punamak tu khanga matung da khoi government na makhal makhagi ekoi angamba level ekoi leijari ba limited resource stage da khoi artist sing mateng pangna ba hona jari makhata bodasu matam punamuk sarkar na sumba artist sing aduga state kala academy gi leiriba structure leiriba financial set condition ekoi government na with the advice of the honorable governor matam punamuk sarkar na mateng pangjagani